To find DigitalOcean docs, start by visiting the official DigitalOcean website. Once you are on the website, click on the community link at the top of the page. This will take you to the DigitalOcean community page, where you can find various resources, including tutorials, guides, and documentation. From the community page, click on the documentation link. This will take you to the DigitalOcean documentation page, where you can find detailed guides and tutorials on various topics, including getting started with DigitalOcean, managing your account, and using DigitalOcean products and services. On the documentation page, you can use the search bar to find specific topics or keywords. Simply type in what you are looking for and press enter. You can also browse through the various categories and sections, such as getting started, security, and networking, to find the information you need. DigitalOcean also provides a comprehensive API documentation, which can be found in the documentation section. The API documentation includes information on how to use the DigitalOcean API, including code examples and tutorials. In addition to the official documentation, DigitalOcean also provides a community-driven knowledge base, where users can share their knowledge and experiences with others. The knowledge base includes tutorials, guides, and FAQs on various topics, and is a great resource for finding answers to common questions and learning from other users. To get the most out of the DigitalOcean docs, it is recommended that you start with the Getting Started guide, which provides a step-by-step introduction to using DigitalOcean. You can also use the search function to find specific topics or keywords, and browse through the various categories and sections to find the information you need. By following these steps and using the resources provided, you can easily find the DigitalOcean docs and get started with using DigitalOcean products and services. Remember to always use the official documentation and knowledge base as your primary source of information, and to take advantage of the community-driven resources to learn from other users and get the most out of your DigitalOcean experience.